Take a look at my Phantom wallet, $4.3 million stacked from launching meme coins. Not from chasing charts, not from luck, just a repeatable playbook. Stay locked in, I'll show you exactly how I pulled it off. Now, back in the day, I used to think trading meme coins was the way to become rich. But every single time I bought inside a meme coin, I got completely dumped on and drained. Then I realized the real winners do not trade meme coins. They actually dev them. Because when you launch a meme coin, you are in full control of the supply, the timing, and the story, and even the entire narrative. As a creator, you risk absolutely nothing at all. But if you keep trading meme coins like you usually do, you'll keep losing, that's a fact. And if you guys don't know, Bitcoin's breaking records and Solana is currently surging. It's the best time to start launching right now, so make sure to keep watching. You do not want to miss this. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Learn the strategy but do not use it. Cap! Now most people head to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. But trust me bro, nowadays Pump.Fun is packed with too many launches. Thousands of coins are flooding the website every single day and yours are getting buried instantly. On top of that, you do not control your own liquidity, so you are stuck on the sidelines. Which means if you launch a meme coin and you are up a couple $1,000s in profits, you cannot even touch that money. But with create token.Io though, your token launches directly onto Radium. It's instantly migrated and buyers can trade it and see it right away on this section right here. You hold the liquidity, you hold the control, and your project gets instant visibility from the start. That's exactly why a bunch of people are using create tokens.io nowadays. Anyways, on create tokens.io, there are two clear ways to launch a meme coin. Option 1 is to create a custom coin from scratch. So go on Twitter, X, TikTok, any social media platform and try to pick a trending narrative. It could be literally anything. Like this guy right here, he got drained for $1 million. It has 6.8 million views. That could be good. Now most people try to go for something funny, trending, or anything like that. Now anything will work in general, just make sure it's decent, right? After that, come back to create tokens.io, give your token a name, a ticker symbol, and upload a quick meme coin logo for the coin, then hit next, create, and then just like that, it's fast and simple and you're done. But option 2 though, that's my favorite option and the most profitable though. The copy trending coins tab. This feature posts tokens already trending on Pump.Fun, and since they already have hype and buyers chasing them, when you copy them on create tokens.io, they launch straight to Radium. That means instant buyers and way more profit potential right from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins because they all have good narratives. Alright, let's not waste another second. Time to launch a coin right now and put this live on the blockchain. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website. Let me just reconnect it for you guys to see. Boom, just like so. Then refresh list, and as you guys can see, you have all the coins at your disposal to copy. Now, I'm going to look for a coin to copy. I'm going to go with the CMAI coin. It looks decent. It's an AI coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a $21.3 thousand market cap. So, yeah, crit coin. Then ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal, okay? Then just proceed, continue, then just wait for a bit, right? It is going to be copied. Boom. And if I go on SoScan for you guys can see that it's on chain, it's on the blockchain, and it's minted officially. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is super simple. We're just adding liquidity so your token can be bought and sold instantly on Radium. Now there's two simple steps. The first step is to actually input the amount of token A inside the liquidity pool. I'm gonna put 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. So just click the 90% button. Then right under is the amount token B. This is your first buy into the coin. You're not losing money here. It's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana that you put right here will come back right to you inside your wallet. So you have nothing to lose, like I said. I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, then click on create pool, and then you should be able to click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the CMAI coin is on live, our PNL is here, and if you click on refresh for a second time, now our profits went up to $202 USD. Okay, now anyways, if you want to see the chart, click on view on Photon, and then boom, it's live. Now obviously if you want, you can use Axiom. Okay, it's really easy. You could find it here, or you can just search it in the right here. But anyways, I'm gonna go on full screen. Let's see the chart. Oh my god, we're already up a couple $100. This is fucking insane. The market cap is right here. Liquidity, come on. I just want you to fucking pump right now, bro. Just pump. We need buyers, bro. Oh my god, no. Do not worry, okay? The chart might look funky, but after a couple minutes, it's gonna be good. Trust. Come on. $1,000 in liquidity, a $50 buy, $2 buy, $70 buy. What the fuck? That's insane. Okay, we are making a huge comeback. This is looking good. Come on. I just want this coin to pump. 40 bucks. Let's go. Oh shit. Come on, one more buy. Just one more big buy. Let's go. 70 bucks. That's really good. Come on. Oh my god, bro. Let's go. Now we are fucking up. Okay, I think I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse, and yes, I will be right back after a couple seconds because I do not want to wait around and become emotional. So be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like it's in an uptrend. We are at a $3,200 market cap, 1.6k in liquidity. It is gonna go up still because that's how Radium works. Okay, but anyways, it's time to cash out profits and prove to you guys that you can make some money. So first of all, come back to create tokens.io. After that, just click on refresh once again. And boom, we're up $1,700 on the dot. That's really good for a 3.3k market cap. Anyways, click on the mice button, do 100%, click the red button right here. And now as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive around 8 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom! Let's fucking go! That's exactly how you launch a coin, dump it, and print generational wealth! And if I open my Phantom wallet, boom! $1,700 straight back inside my wallet in pure profit. That's exactly how you do it. Now before you click off and go make a meme coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. Join my free Telegram group and Discord group down below. And yeah, bye.